Hi students, now I am going to teach you poem 9. The name of the poem is Fog, written by Carl Sandburg. And about the poet I am going to say you now. It is written by Carl Sandburg. He was born on 1878. He lived during 1878 to 1967. He was a Swedish American poet and writer. He fought in the Spanish American War. His first poems were published in a poetry magazine in 1914. He received the Pulitzer Prize for Cornhuskers in 1918. Some of his major works include Chicago Poems 1916, The American Songbird 1927, Selected Poems 1926, and in Reckless Ecstasy 1904. I am going to give you a little introduction about the poem. Fog is Sandburg's one of the best known poems and was published in the Chicago Poems in 1916. It is written in the pattern of haiku, a poem of 17 syllables. The poem is beautifully composed with fog, being given the image of a cat. Summary of the poem. A short poem of 6 lines that has a very deep meaning. The fog in the poem is compared to a cat. It comes creeping like a cat does. As a cat enters and sits in many places, ignores all the disturbances it causes in the lives of the people. The fog too creates many disturbances by its silent movement, and then gradually it slips away and moves as the cat moves onto some other places. The damage it causes to the people due to low visibility on roads are uncountable. Now, I have given the picture of fog. You all know what is fog. The poet has given the image of a cat to the fog. And in next picture, you can see a harbor as well as a city. Now, I am going to read the poem. The fog comes on little cat feet. It sits looking over harbor and city on silent haunches and then moves on. So what is the message given in the poem? The nature's beauty creation. The fog is being described in the poem. The fog is independent, silent and temporary, but it brings disaster too. Both beauty and the disastrous qualities of fog has been mentioned in the poem. Now I am going to explain the poetic lines. This short poem is an expression of the view of the fog. For the poet, fog is not just a natural phenomenon, it is rather a creature. Fog has been compared with the cat, as the way fog comes is very similar to the ways of a cat. As a cat walks silently on its small presence over and around a city, seems as if a cat is sitting silently on its haunches and looking over the harbor and the city. Finally, when the fog leaves a city, it looks like a cat's slow and silent steps moving on from a place. Title of the poem. The title fog is quite apt as the poet mentions the nature of fog, its qualities and experiences associated with it. Theme of the poem. The temporary and fickle state of the fog is described by the in the poem. The mystery begins its appearance is vividly portrayed in Sandburg's poem. Poetic device used in the poem. Analogy, comparison of fog to a cat. Metaphor, the use of cat for referring to fog. Rhyme scheme, there is no rhyme scheme in the poem. The poem is in free verse. I hope you all understood this poem, and I am going to give you the meanings or new words given in the poem. Haunches, it means sitting with knees bent. You can see the picture how the cat is sitting after bending its knee. So once again I repeat the summary. A short poem of 6 lines that has a very deep meaning. The fog in the poem is compared to a cat, and it comes creeping like a cat does. As a cat enters and sits at many places, ignores all the disturbances it causes in the lives of the people. The fog too creates many disturbances by its silent movement, and then gradually it slips away and moves as a cat moves onto some other place. The damage it causes to the people due to the low visibility on roads are uncountable. Thank you, children. I hope you all enjoyed this poem. And your homework is the same poem. Exam practice question you all have to study from your guide. And I'll tell you the page number also. 345. 345 you have to study. And your classwork is poem 2. That you have to write in your classwork and submit it after 2 days. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.